Today, I'm going to take my iPhone 5, a phone that's been around for 12 years, and test it in the Mart for 2 hours without charging it. Can this old phone survive in 2025? Let's find out together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of content. Alright, I've just grabbed some snacks to enjoy while testing this iPhone 5 now. Let's start using it. First, I'll try some basic apps like Notes, and then I'll test out a few games to see how it performs. Minutes later, the iPhone 5 still has this much battery left. Not bad for such an old device. After 1 hour of continuous use, this is how much power is remaining. I'm honestly surprised it's holding up this well. After 2 full hours of use, the battery has finally died. Incredible! Who would have thought that in 2025, the iPhone 5 could still last 2 hours without a single charge? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little iPhone 5 experiment. See you all in the next video. Bye.